Here's a common complaint. Sensor dry cycles terminate prematurely while the load is still wet. Oh, there it is. I timed that well. Now this happens to be an LG, but this is a common issue, and 9 times out of 10, it's these sensor bars have waxy buildup on them, and they're electrically insulated so they can't see the conductive clothes hitting them, and it looks to the machine like the clothes are dry. Real common. But in this case, I believe I can prove we have a failed main control board. So we've back probed the moisture sensor contacts, the wires going into the main control that connect to those two sensor bars. The control board, now that I switch the unit on, is putting out about 10 volts. And every time wet clothes hit those sensors, that number's going to drop. Now we can also, on this machine, go into diagnostic mode and see what the control board thinks the moisture sensor is reading. Okay. This is step 1, that's more time, less time, simultaneously after power on. Step 1 should run it. Step 2 should run it. There we go. Okay, so that is the moisture sensor reading. And here we go. So my measured signal is dropping every time wet clothes hit it. And the control board is not seeing those wet clothing hits. So the fact that we're getting a good moisture signal up to the board and a bad interpretation of that signal from the board, yeah, I think that's the board.